Today, we're making something super fun. Vibrant fruit kebabs that are not only eye-catching, but also healthy. These aren't your typical fruit skewers, though. They'll be glazed with a refreshing mint lime syrup, making them the perfect sweet treat without any added sugars. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. We have bright, juicy melons, lovely strawberries, sweet grapes, and tangy kiwis, all fresh and ready to shine. Alongside them, we'll grab some fresh mint and a lime to create our delicious glaze. Now, let's prepare that mint lime glaze. Begin by zesting the lime to get that bright, aromatic essence. Next, squeeze out the juice into a small bowl. Mix the fresh lime zest and juice with stevia until it all comes together smoothly. This glaze is going to enhance the natural sweetness of our fruits beautifully. Time to get assembling. Grab your skewers and let's alternate those vibrant fruits in a fun pattern. This is a fantastic way for kids to get involved, making it both a tasty treat and a joyful activity. Finally, we brush the mint lime glaze over these gorgeous kebabs. They look even more tempting now. Serve them outside to savor the fresh flavors and enjoy nature's candy. So why not add a little sparkle to your snack time? Try these mint glazed fruit kebabs and keep discovering the sweetness of plants with Ali's Leaf Lab.